this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. With making a lot of clothes over the past few weeks, I've realised it's very difficult pressing seams open for like round the shoulders and that where it's curved, and also I've got is a flat surface on my pressing boards. So I'm going to make what's called a tailor's ham, so that I can put it inside the sleeve or wherever it is that's curved and press the seam, because it will be curved. So I've taken some of my wallpaper that I got spare and I've just drawn out a size. It's, how big is it? It's about 15 inches lengthwise, and I've done it just over 5 inches widthwise, and that's going to be placed on a fold, so it's going to be twice the size. And I made a dress out of this fabric, but I've decided there's some left and it's 100% cotton, because it says it on the side, I think. Yes, 100% cotton, so I'll be able to use this with steam and everything else going. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to basically now just cut out a top and a bottom. So where the fold is, I'm just going to put that on and cut it out. So there it is, the two pieces cut out. It's basically like a big egg shape. So now I'm going to give them a good press, I think, although it will be used as a pressing tool. And I'm going to sew with about half an inch, between 1/4 and half an inch seam allowance all the way around, but I'm going to leave an opening so I can turn it the right way. I have stitched all the way around. I did it twice because I wanted to make sure this is secure, because I'm going to stop it really firm, so I want to make sure that my stitches are going to hold. So I've stitched it around twice and I've left an opening so I can turn it. Sorry about that noise, it's the way I'm cleaning the road because the road's all muddy. But now I'm going to push the edges out, and the quilts and tabletoppers I've made, I've saved all the cutting, you know, the bits of wadding batting, so I'm going to use them to stuff this with, and possibly put bits of fabric in there as well. But I'll show you when I've nearly done it. I didn't use the polyester wadding I've got to stuff it, because I know this is going to take a lot of heat and a lot of steam, so I didn't want to put that in. So I filled it with some cotton wadding that I've got, and as you can see, it's stiff. It's rather misshapen at the moment because I've been putting everything in through the hole. So I'm now going to hand stitch this closed and then just work it around so it's a nice shape, but that will help me no end. I'll get on with closing it. There, it's done. It's basically now the shape and size of a frozen chicken without legs and wings. But that will help me to press curved seams in dressmaking, and it's only taken me about an hour to do, and it's all scraps of the wadding that I've used to stuff it, and a little bit of fabric that was left over from making a dress. So, completely inexpensive, free. Thank you. Bye.